The exterior craftsmanship is just as impressive. The texturing process gives the aramid fiber a consistent, refined, woven pattern that not only looks high-end, but resists fingerprints and scratches far better than glossy plastic cases. The anti-scratch silicone module built into the structure adds another layer of durability, making this case feel like it can withstand daily life. Keys, pockets, bags, travel, without losing its premium aesthetic. This isn't just another accessory. It's a beautifully engineered shell that blends tactile comfort, magnetic convenience, and PITAKA's signature design ethos into a single, seamless experience. If you're invested in high-quality materials and a unified look across your devices, this case feels less like an add-on and more like the natural way your AirPods Pro 3 were always meant to be carried.